going on, Steven? How you doing, buddy? What's going on, guys? Just give me a second here, getting things together. Doing good, Steven. Doing good, man. Happy Wednesday. All right. Okay. Hey, Chris, what's up, man? No, I got man, I'm running low on everything right now, so I am holding out. I have a bunch of stuff that's supposed to be in tomorrow, so I'm hoping to do some hobby stuff tomorrow. I can't remember what I ordered. I got some Obsidian. I got some NBA stuff too, but I can't remember what I ordered now. It'll be a surprise, I guess, when I get it. But yeah, it's supposed to be in today. It didn't come in, so hopefully it comes in tomorrow. Yes, there is a box of Prism Soccer. We're doing a one of these bad boys right here. We're doing a break for this. 10 spots get you, so you get 2 teams for $60, which is super cheap for this. I just want to get them out, move them on so I can start buying some more stuff. All right. I think we have enough people in here. Let's get started. We need to get this team bid on here. Oh my goodness, come on. My computer is acting stupid. There we go. All right, so I do have a team available. The Thunder was not paid for today. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick bid on them. We're going to do an auction live in the chat room. We start at $5, shipping's included, and dollar increments going up from there, at least $1 increments minimum. And then when it stalls out, I'll go, whatever dollar going once, going twice, and third time will be sold. So kind of give you all some warning before I just close it. So let's get started. Chris has got 5 on it right now. Let's go. I'm going to be doing a lot of chatting in the chat room because the lag makes it impossible for me just to do commentary on it. So I'll be a little quiet on this end. Oh, if y'all are new to the group, while we're doing this, welcome to the group. Glad to have you here. We're trying to get to 1,000 today. It's the end of the month. That's been our contest for the past month. And we're at like 920 right now. We need 80 more people. We got 6 hours to do it. It's not looking good. But that's okay. We did great. We moved, I think we gained, I have to go back and look, but almost 400 people in the past month. So hell yeah, man. Almost doubled in size. That's great. 300 or 400. I can't remember. But I'm happy. We got more people in here, so that's good. All right. All right, Chris, you know my payment information already. Go ahead and shoot me the money. So show me the money. Send me the money, and once we get that, let me know. If I don't see the alert on it, just let me know. We'll get going. All right, real quick, little spiel for you. If you guys are brand new to the group, welcome. Glad to have you here. We are a friendly little group here, almost at 1,000 members, so we're getting bigger and bigger. What we do a lot of different breaks here. We do mostly football and basketball. We're going to bring some baseball in eventually. And hey, we're doing soccer today. Why not, right? So try to do a lot of hobby breaks inside the Facebook group. All right, I got you, Chris. I got your money. So we try to do a lot of mostly what we do is hobby breaks in the Facebook group. Sometimes we do some retail if it's nice. Most of my eBay breaks are going to be retail. So we have good stuff. I try to keep it affordable. I try to keep it fun. So if you're new here, stick around, pay attention. I usually announce what break I'm going to do somewhere around 10 o'clock in the morning, and then I launch it in the afternoon, early afternoon, usually about 1 or 2 o'clock, depending on what I have going on. So didn't have much today. I launched a soccer one late because I had some stuff to do earlier in the day, and I'm a little bit short on product right now. So I'm trying to hopefully get some stuff in tomorrow, and we can do something nice. I want to do some football tomorrow. We did basketball yesterday, and I'm ready to do some football. But if I don't get my stuff in, then we will definitely be doing some basketball tomorrow. I got some more of this Donruss we can do to kill the time. Or do more soccer. Why not? Why the hell not? All right, Chris, I appreciate you. I'm going to go ahead and put you down here real quick. And then we'll get started, man. Let's freaking open some boxes, y'all. Let's do some ripping, man. Cool. All right, so here is... My name's Dennis, by the way. The other guy that does stuff here, he does a lot of rip and ships, and he does a few breaks here and there, is Chris Sheffer. Really good dude. A lot of real fun rip and ships. We have a good time in there just bullshitting and, excuse my language, just BSing and, and having a good time, talking sports and whatever. Just carrying on. So these are all your teams with your eBay names. Keep that for my records too, so I can get y'all squared away. All right, guys, what we're doing, we're going to do these two boxes here. It's just a small little break today. We're going to do, both of these have 88 cards per box. I think it's, 11 packs with 8 cards per pack. Looking for one auto or memorabilia card in each one of these. They also have some, what do they got? They got the orange laser and purple laser parallels. We're going to be looking for those. And anything else exciting? I don't know. I've opened only one of these before, so not a real familiar with them yet, but I'm getting there. All right, but there we go. We got 2 of these. We'll get started. Let's get started on this one here. Good luck, everybody. I encourage you guys to talk in the chat room. Let me know what you're looking for. If you're looking for anything, any kind of particular player, let me know, man. We put that mojo out there, maybe we get what we're looking for, right? I know we want to get the big rookies and all that stuff, of course. But, if there's any particular player that you're seeking, let's put those the good mojo vibes out there. Let's see what happens, man. Telling you. Some of the times we'll be talking about a player and he'll just pop up. So let's do that. Speak it to existence. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, LeBron, Luka, and Wiseman. Let's go, baby. Ooh, all these packs in here. Look at that. 11 packs. Oops, I missed one. There we go. Empty box. Good luck, everybody. Let's hope we pull some fire for you. That looks like the thick one right off the bat. We'll get that out of the way. But there's the 1. Got 5 on this side, 5 on that side. And then this one right here. That makes 11. So we'll put that on the bottom. Save that for last. I think it's the thick one. It feels like it anyways. Could be wrong. Let me get a drink of water before we get started. Let's go, Ja. Hey, man. Second year Ja could be worth something, right? Get a Ja jersey card or something. Maladon. All right, that's what I'm going to call him from now on if I see him. Oh, by the way, if you haven't been in my basketball breaks, Chris knows and Mark knows, a few of these other guys in here know, I absolutely butcher these names. So y'all can make fun of me. I don't care. I have fun with it. I'm getting better, though. I'm getting better. The more I open, the more I watch basketball. I just got into basketball again. I'm trying to watch as much as I can, but I'm getting a little better. I still suck, though. But I suck at football, too, sometimes, and I'm a real big football fan, so that's just me. I can't talk good. All right, ready, let's go. Good luck. Michael Porter Jr. for the Nuggets. These are hard to read, too. Dennis Schroeder for the Thunder. There you go, Chris. Got Julius Randle for the Knicks. The lighting on it makes me hard to see. That's why you see me kind of tilted around. Landry Shamet for the Clippers. Bogdanovich. I like saying his name. For the Kings. All right, we got an orange. Orange. Who's this? Trae Young for the Hawks. They call that the orange laser, right? Yeah, orange laser. That's pretty cool. All right. Got a Daniel Oturu. Yeah. Behind that, it's a Timberwolf. Come on, Anthony Edwards? Nah, Jaden McDaniels. I'm in the right year at least this time. Okay. Mail dong. Let's keep it family friendly, Chris. Come on, man. Let's keep it family friendly. Let's keep it at least PG-13. At least PG-13, buddy. All right, Alex Caruso for the Lakers. Ah, that face. All right, Paul George, Clippers. Buddy Hield, okay, sorry, for the Kings. Gordon Hayward for the Celtics. Bradley Beal for the Wizards. Oh, what is it? Oh, yeah, I can't. Anyaka Kwangu, and I'm sure I'm butchering that. For the Hawks, nice rookie, great expectations there. I'm going to get that wrapped up for you here. Got a Caleb Martin for the Hornets. And we got a Miami Heat. Precious. Precious. My precious. All right, let me get this wrapped up. This is a nice card. That's true, Chris. That's true. Want to get flagged for obscenities. All right. I'll just put that up there for now. Get us started. Let's go. Let's go. All right, next up. There's a Luka, baby. My man, Luka. Make sure we get him sleeved up for you. Got a Marcus Smart for the Celtics. Got an Enes Kanter, I'm sorry, for the Celtics. I can't hardly read these. Some of these, the coloring on it messes with me. Keldon Johnson, and the lighting on it on my side is rough. All right. Ben Simmons, 76ers. It's all-time league leaders for the Bucks, Ray Allen. Got a Magic. Ooh, it's Magic. Cole Anthony, rated rookie. And a King behind him. Is it Halliburton? Boom! I like this guy. Halliburton. Nice. Very nice. His stock going up. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Oh, Stay. All right. Next pack. All right. Starting off pretty decent. Could be, Chris. He could be. When ball went down, man, that opened up the door right there. All right. All right. OG. Leave it at that. For the Raptors, Fred Van Fleet. Van Fleet. That's hard to say. For the Raptors. All right. Come on, what are you trying to do to me? Is it a Avika Zubac? I don't know. Clippers. Miles Bridges for the Hornets. Kobe White for the Bulls. Rudy Gobert. Complete players for the Jazz. Some good-looking inserts in this set. All right, we got a Cavalier. Who's a Cavalier? We got Isaiah Okoro, and a Golden State Warrior. How about a Wiseman? Boom! There we go. There we go. Nice hit. That's for you, right, Mark? You got them, right? I think you grabbed gold. Yeah, you did. There you go, buddy. I got you a Luka, and I got you a Wiseman so far, man. We're doing good. We're doing good. Doing good for Mark, anyways. Let's do good for the rest of you, too. All right. Very nice. Let's get us a ball out of this one. I feel a LaMelo Ball. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Putting the magic in there. Let's go. Let's see if the magic worked. Let's see if it worked. Maybe. It works some of the times. It's only crazy if it doesn't work. Sekou. I think I'm saying that right. For the Pistons. Jamal Murray. For the Nuggets. Marcus Morris Sr. Yeah, for the Clippers. Let me get back center. Sorry. Harrison Barnes. Kings. Shabazz, is it Napier? For the Wizards. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. Jalen Smith. Great expectations for the Suns. We got us, Mavericks. Rated rookie, Tyler Bay. Rated rookie. And another Maverick. Rated rookie, Tyrell Terry, sorry. Mavericks in the house. All right, cool. Very cool. All right, let's move on here. Next pack up. LaMelo Ball. Where's LaMelo Ball? LaMelo. All right. John Collins for the Hawks. LeBron James. Nice one for the Lakers. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you got double rookies, man. All right, Blake Griffin. Pistons. Will Barton. The Nuggets. Victor Oladipo for the Pacers. Got us another orange here. Brooklyn in the house. Kevin Durant. Nice. Nice orange laser there. All right. Got our rated rookies now. We got Boston Celtics. Peyton Pritchard. And a 76er. Tyrese Maxey. For rated rookie. Okay. I don't know. I know Bay. I know Tyler Bay. I mean, I don't know him. I've heard of him, but yeah, I don't know if I've ever seen him play. Ricky Rubio, Suns. Terrence Ross, Magic. Clay Capella for the Hawks. Yeah. Kendrick Nunn for the Heat. Kyle Kuzma, Lakers. Got another orange. No rookie orange. Carmelo Anthony for the Trail Blazers. Oh. Mavericks. Josh Green. Dude. Mavericks on fire. And behind him, a Pelican. Kyra Lewis Jr. Kyra? Do not know. Well, I think that's all the Maverick rookies. And a Luka. And a Halliburton for you. I'm hooking Mark up today, man. And a Wiseman. No, Halliburton wasn't for you. Wiseman was for you. Hey, there's another one. Porzingis. He's been good. You stay healthy, he's real good. Hassan Whiteside for the Trailblazers. Marvin Bagley for the Kings. Jimmy Butler for the Heat. Zion, second year Zion. These second years going for anything? I haven't even looked at these. I'll sleeve it up just in case. All right. De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Franchise, now playing live and in person. Franchise features. Got a Jalen Smith for the Suns behind that. And a Charlotte Hornet. Come on, baby. Do it for us. Do it for us. Boom! There we go. All right. Hit them all, baby. Let's go. I'm seeing Anthony Edwards now. That's what we need now. Got a nice rated rookie LaMelo Ball. That is all the Mavs rookies. I think they had 3 of them, and that's every one of them. I think. The only ones I've seen. They pull some no-name guy and put a rated rookie sticker on him. There we go. Nice hit for the Hornets there, baby. Let's go. Whoops. Destruction. Whew. All right, there we go. We're a quiet bunch today. There's not many people in here today. Only 9 of us. What's everybody doing? They're going out there picking up some soccer. All right. Is it Goran Dragic for the Heat? I'm sure I'm butchering that. Lou Williams for the Clippers. TJ Warren, Pacers. Draymond Green, Warriors. Taurean Prince, Nets. What do we got here? Another great expectations that Isaac Okoro. And Cassius Stanley for the Pacers. Behind that, we got a King. Jamias Ramsey. That sounds right. And to wrap this guy up here. What's up, Tony? We're just chilling. Ripping up some basketballs. We're still in the first box here. And we already hit a ball. And a Wiseman. And a Halliburton. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're just getting started, though. Almost halfway done. All right. Just getting started, but almost halfway done. What's up, Nate? You in here causing trouble. The Grizzlies are hiding. I haven't seen many Grizzlies, have we? I will tell you this. If this happens, and I hope it doesn't, but if it does, and you only, none of your teams, you don't get anything in the break as far as any base cards or anything, then I'll put you in this. I have a skunk list. And when that skunk list gets filled up with 32 teams, we're going to do a big old break for free. So I think we're almost halfway done. It's been there for a while, but hopefully won't have any today. But just in case, just to let y'all know. All right, Dwayne Bacon. Bacon. Hornets. Thon Maker. For the Pistons. Langston Galloway. Is it? Yeah. Anyways, Pistons. Tobias Harris, 76ers. One base Thunder. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. And Andre Drummond, Power in the Paint. That's a cool looking card, man. Looks real 80s. I love it. I love it. I think that's really nice. I like that a lot. That's a cool looking card. All right, so rated rookie Jordan Nwora. And a Thunder. There we go. Got you a Thunder. Theo, there's your mail dong. There you go, baby. I got you, man. I got your mail dong right there. All right, this one's got a patch in it. Let's see what we get. Good luck, everyone. All right, Eric Pascal for the Warriors. Aaron Gordon, Magic. Kevin Horter, the Hawks. Serge Ibaka for the Raptors. All right, I'm going to pull from the back. We got ourselves a Saban Lee. What was that for? For the Pistons. And a Skylar Mays for the Hawks. And who do we go and get? Oh, we got one more. Franchise features Jason Tatum for the Celtics. All right, who we got here? Flip it, flip it. Timberwolf, Josh Okogie. Okogie? There you go. Boom. Jersey, I guess, series. His head's in the way. Nice hit for the Timberwolves. Timberwolves. All right, let's get this wrapped up real quick. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, that's it for that pack. Let me do a little housekeeping here. We'll get these out of the way. A lot of these here I'll be sleeving. Some of them I'll even put in top loaders later. All right, second box. Looking for the good stuff. Let's go. All right, empty box there. Got 6 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 on that side. I think that's the thick one right there. Maybe. Looks like it though. All right, slip those off to the side. All right, guys, good luck. Second box, let's go, baby. What, Nate? What'd you say, brother? I missed you. Oh, you said hold up? Man, nobody's going to sell you anything. All right, let's go. Good luck. There's Giannis. We got Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Stephen Curry. I always want to say Steven when I see his name. Warriors. Mikal Bridges. Suns. Darius Garland. Cavaliers. Got an orange here. It's a Hornet. Oh, that'd be nice. Get a ball, man. An orange freaking prism ball. Ooh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. He's not a rookie, is it? Nah, dang it. Miles Bridges. Oh. Got a Denver Nugget. R.J. Hampton. And flip it around again. Here's a Thunder. Get another Maladon. No, it's this guy. I'm not even going to say his name. But that's who you got there, Chris. I ain't even gonna try that one. Is that Alexei? Oh, hell. Pokasovsky? This guy right here, this gonna break you even right there, bud. Big dollar card right there. All right, Cam Reddish, Hawks. Karis LeVert, Nets. Derek White, Spares. Bam. How do you say his name again? Abadeo? There you go. Adebayo. There you go. B's and the D's mixed up. For the Heat. Oops. Got Joel Embiid. 76ers. Another one. There you go. I like these power in the paint. Those are cool, man. So freaking 80s. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, rookie behind him. We got a Piston. Be a Killian Hayes. No, Isaiah Stewart. And a spare behind him. Devin Vassell. There you go. All right, next one up. Let's go. Next pack up. We still need to get, what are we looking for? We need Anthony Edwards. Patrick Williams would be nice. Maybe an Obi Toppin. I just like his name. Duncan Robinson for the Heat. DeAndre Hunter. Hawks. Damian Lillard for the Trailblazers. You got Shake Milton. Or Shake. Shake Milton. I don't know. 76ers. Jackson Hayes for the Pelicans. Ben Simmons, complete players for the 76ers. Okay. Got a Nick. Is that an Obi? Obi? There we go. See, I just said his name and he just magically appears. There's an Obi. All right. And then a Timberwolf behind him. Anthony Edwards, right? We're still missing one of him, right? Boom! Hell yeah, look at that. I just called for these guys. Very nice. All right. Very nice. Hey, man, that soccer break could be fun. Whoa. I know absolutely nothing about soccer. Not one single player, man. Wait, Messi. That's a player, right? That's all I know, dude. But I'm going to have fun with it anyways. I'm just going to open every card. Like, is this a hit? Is this a hit? Is this a hit? I have no idea. No freaking clue. All right, let's go. Next pack up. We're doing good, man. I think we hit all the hot rookies, right? Who are we missing? Like a Killian Hayes. I'm just going by, I have a little list over here. Helps me keep track. We hit all the big ones, though. Hell yeah, man. Let's hit some more. Matthew Matthew Dellavedova. Good Lord. Say that 3 times real fast. Cavaliers. All right. Bobby Portis for the Knicks. Tyler Hero. We're even hitting a lot of good second-year players, too, which is cool for the Heat. Got a Zion in here already. That's cool. Jonas Valanciunas. Grizzlies. All right. DeMar. Let me drink of water. Let me get a drink of water. Hold on. I know David Beckham. Is he still playing? All right. Let's start over here. DeMar DeRozan, right? All right, I said it right. Okay, Spurs. Derrick Rose franchise features. All right, let's get the rated rookies here. We got a Rocket, Kenyon Martin Jr., And a Jazz. Elijah Hughes. Thinking with these 2 boxes, everybody should be getting some rookies, right? That's what I'm thinking. Oh, that's cool, man. That'd be freaking awesome to pull a David Beckham auto out of that one. That'd be freaking sweet. All right, Jeff Green, Rockets. Is it Brian Forbes for the Spurs? Oh, we got the Nuggets. We got Torrey Craig for the Nuggets. Another Nugget. Michael Porter Jr. And Dennis Schroeder for the Thunder. There you go, Thunder. Great expectations. He's a Nick. He's Obi Toppin. Nice. Wrap that guy up here. Rated rookie for Robert Woodard the second. He's a king. And we got a Hornet. Let's get another ball. Why not? Nope. Vernon Carey. There's like 4 Hornet rookies in here, man. So I'm not surprised we're going to hit them all at least once. That would be sweet, Mark. That would be really cool to hit a big monster card. I wouldn't even know it, but I would just be like, I'd have to go by what everybody's thinking when I pull it. Like I said, I'll be like, is this one good? Is that one good? All right. Nice one for them. Nice one for the Knicks. I got to get another box of these real quick. Bear with me, guys. There's someone at the door. All right. All right. Get those out of the way. Just getting ready, man. Ready to pull some more fire. Let's go. All right. We're on the second half of the second box. Let's get going, man. We got nice rookies. I'm happy so far, man. We can pull some fun stuff. Let's go. All right. Danilo Gallinari. I don't know. Gallinari for Thunder. There you go, Chris. Brooke Lopez for the Bucks. Alex Caruso for the Lakers. Paul George, Clippers. Luka, another Luka card. Super nice. I love this dude. He looks so soft, though. I mean, you know he's super strong, but he just don't look it, man. He looks like he's got dad bod already. It's kind of sad, but he's a freaking beast. Davis Bertans. Wizards, that's your orange here. Got a rated rookie, the Hawks. There you go. Onyeka Kwangwu. I think we got another one of him already. And then we got a Hornet. Come on, ball. Come on, baby. Let's go. Grant Miller. Or Grant Riller, sorry. Grant Riller. I think I missed one of these guys earlier. I said I usually just top load the top 10 or so rookies just because, you know, it's still early. Find out if these guys are going to be any good. Might as well protect it. You know, never know what can happen. If it's worth nothing now, who cares? No worries. Hey, Niles, what's happening, buddy? Niles, I'll probably be doing some basketball again tomorrow. Got some soccer. You're from Belgium. You like soccer, right? I'm doing a soccer hobby box here, Prism. All right, Doug McDermott, Pacers. Miles Turner, Pacers. Mike Conley for the Jazz. Marcus Smart, Celtics. Enes Kanter, Celtics. Like coming in pairs. That's weird. I guess I don't get any orange rookies, man. None of these are rookies. Kobe White, though. Second-year guy, right? Bulls. All right, what we got here? Oh, upside down. Cole Anthony, I didn't sleeve. A lot of these, if I put over in this pile over here, I'll be sleeving later, okay? So, but I will wrap him up. I promise you. All right, we got a Trailblazer. We got CJ Ellaby. And a Warrior. What do we got here? Another Wiseman? Nope. Nico. Yeah, I just, I try to just do the big hits, and then I'll go back and I'll sleeve up a lot of these other ones. I always sleeve up the inserts and all the rookies. So in the top 10 or so rookies in basketball, I will go ahead and put in top loaders. Yeah, just in case. I don't care. All right, Niles. Check out that break we're doing in there. Sorry, I don't mean to crosstalk in that, but, just having fun. Paul Millsap, Nuggets. Marc Gasol, Raptors. OG, Raptors. Damn. Another Raptor, like 3 Raptors in a row. That's weird. Got Fred VanVleet and Eric Pascal for the Warriors. All right, all-time league leaders, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Nice. Old school, dude. Oh, we got a Grizzly up here. What do we got here? Xavier Tillman. And another Grizzly, Desmond Bane. There you go. Got 3 more packs left. Still got a relic coming. I'm thinking about doing a basketball break tomorrow. More of this Donruss. That's all I really have right now. I'm just waiting on some stuff to come in. I've got some football, but most of that is already reserved for future breaks. I got everything kind of set up. Derek Jones Jr. for the Heat. Juan Hernan Gomez, Timberwolves. All right, here we got Andre Drummond, Cavaliers. Got Aaron Gordon for the Magic. Kevin Huerter for the Hawks. Complete players. Joel Embiid. I pull a lot of him lately. Nice, 76ers. Rated rookie behind him. We got a Nick. There's a Quickly. Emmanuel Quickly. And a Nugget. Zeke Naji. Or Nahi. There we go. 2 more packs to go. How are you going to split a soccer spot? How are you going to split the cards up? Oh, you get 2 teams. I guess you could just say I get 1 team and you get the other team because you get 2 teams. All right, Evan Fournier, Magic, Rui. A lot of good second-year players out of this one. Sekou for the Pistons. Most of the Lions. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. John Collins for the Hawks. Devontae Graham, franchise features for the Hornets. We got a Piston. There's a Sadiq Bey. And flippity floppity. Got a Celtic. Aaron Nesmith. All right, final pack, guys. Last pack Magic. The spots are $60 for 2 teams. There's only 10 spots. $60 a spot. You get 2 teams. There's only 20 teams in that league, so 144 cards out of that, so you should be able to get some good stuff. Jaylen Brown, Celtics. Wesley Matthews for the Bucks. Got a Warrior. We got Marquise Chris. We got Julius Randle for the Knicks. I'm going to pull from the back real quick. Oh, we got an orange in this one, too. Damn. Oh. Sorry. Is it Denny Adija? Probably saying that wrong, for the Wizards. And our another one is Adoka Azupi. Screw it. For the Jazz. I just said screw it. All right, flippity floppity. Ooh, a rated rookie orange. I just said we didn't get any, and you got a Cole Anthony. There you go, man. There you go. Super nice. Okay. I'm going to wrap that one up for you just a second. And our patch. If I can peek and see what we got. We got a clipper. Got a clipper. All right. Well, let's just tear the Band-Aid off. What do you think? Boom. Reggie Jackson. Los Angeles Clippers. That's a gray jersey. Interesting. Okay. A nice hit for the Clippers there. Get that wrapped up real quick. Yeah, man, we'll break that soccer tonight if we can get it done. I'm all right. I'm open for it. I have no problem doing that. As long as it's not too late. I don't want to work too late tonight. But we'll go in there. We'll see what we can do. All right. We'll do a quick recap if y'all want here. Real quick here. Oh. Just real quick. Kind of go over what we got. Some of the bigger hits. We got this one here, this Reggie Jackson jersey. We got Obi Toppin, rated rookie. We got Josh Okogie jersey. Tyrese Halliburton. Onyeka. I gotta figure out how to say his name for the Hawks. Obi. We got a Isaac Okoro. Onyeka again. James Wiseman, Anthony Edwards, Melo Ball. We got a little bit of everything, man. And we got a few more that I didn't get sleeved up. And if I catch them when I go through them, I'll put them in the top loaders for you. All right, thanks, y'all. Appreciate it. Like I said, new to the group. Get in here. Check things out, man. We always do stuff just about every single day. We've got a break going up. So take a look or some rip and chips. Have fun. Thanks again. Y'all have a good night.